question from Satyajit, who's writing in from Bengaluru and asking about Shriram Finance. The stock is currently trading at 530. His buy price is an average of 569. He's got 95 shares and he's wondering whether to sell to avoid further losses. The stock is at this juncture, Avinash, trading just below 2 times price to book. And from that perspective, on the fundamentals, it is also trading below its 200-day moving average. What is the view on the fundamentals? Would you hold on at this juncture?
I think Shriram Finance, first of all, Alex, is a very large player in the commercial vehicle financing space. This segment has seen a lot of margin pressure, a lot of volume degrowth has happened. So I think, the market is clearly reflecting this fact into the stock price. But I think, it's a large player in South India, has a decent asset quality. And I would believe that, the Jan to March quarter is supposed to be normally a larger kind of business period for all the commercial vehicle companies. And hopefully in the budget, if there is a aggressive push by the government on infra, on spending more, typically government capex, I would not be surprised that, we could see a good bounce back also coming in soon. So I think, if the investor has a 12 to 15 month kind of time frame, I think he should hold on. I think he should not get panicky. But yes, I think he needs to give in a slightly medium-term time frame because, with the GDP growth numbers being a little weak, the markets have actually beaten down all economy-related, sector stocks. So I think, that's the reason the stock is underperforming. You'll have to wait for at least 12 to 15 months to get a decent risk reward. But there's no doubt that, commercial vehicle financing is a big market and Shriram Finance can definitely bounce back. So I think longer term, I think he should hold on.
Hold is a view on Shriram Finance on the fundamentals. Ashok Kumar is calling us from Punjab. Ashok, thanks so much for calling us. Where in Punjab are you tuning in from and how can we help you today?
Sir, I'm speaking from Ludhiana.
Nice.
I have 301 unit of Deepak fertilizer at the price of 1,030 rupees.
Okay.
So my question is, what should I do now? I should hold it for the longer time or I should sell it now?
When did you buy this, Ashok?
3 months back.
Okay, and you've got a long-term view, as in you've got a fundamental view on this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what drew you to Deepak Fertilizers?
I'm having 301 units.
That I understood, but what did you like about the company?
It was growing, so that was the reason. I don't know much about the shares, but I keep on watching the graphs of the shares, and on the basis of that, I go for the purchase.
Understood. So when you say long term, it's more than 1 year, right, Ashok?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So since you've been looking at the charts and you've been looking at the move upwards, I'm going to go to Swati on this. Swati, 2.5% gains in trade today. Would you suggest holding on, and what are the upside targets?
Yeah, Alex, the longer term view is definitely positive, but short term view might is little bit cautious. Why? Because the weekly chart suggests a negative divergence. If you look towards the chart from the last 3 to 4 weeks, we are continuously witnessing a selling pressures from the higher levels. So I will suggest try to book your profits or else keep a profit stop loss of 1,050 levels on the downside, because if it's break that level, then the stock might go downside and test 950, 900 levels on a lower levels. So at the current level, I will suggest to hold on, but maintain the strict stop loss of 1,050. Any move about 1,200 level will witness more catch into, or say the fire into this particular stock, which might take a counter towards elevated levels to 1,300 to 1,400. So that will be the short-term target upside I'm looking for. But in this kind of a market, the fertilizer stocks are not really doing very well. Even though the chart is showing a little bit negative signs, I will suggest to book the profits or else keep the stop loss of 1,050 on low side.
Okay, all right. So comprehensive view on Deepak Fertilizers there.